Hello guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to create this. First, create a new composition and import your logo, then add it to the timeline. Pre-compose it and name it logo. Duplicate it by pressing Ctrl+D, then pre-compose it again and name it logo outline. Cut the layers at second 2 by pressing Ctrl+Shift+D. Delete these parts. Search for Vegas effect and add it to the logo outline composition. Go to Image Contours and make the channel alpha. Change the segments to 1. Go to Rendering and change over to Transparent. Change the color to white. Add a keyframe at length and rotation. And make the length 0. Go to the last frame and make the rotation 100 and the length 1. Press U to open the keyframes. Select the keyframes and press F9 to make the keyframes easy ease. Create a new solid. And name it background. Move it to the bottom. Search for gradient ramp effect. And apply it to the background layer. Change linear ramp to radial ramp. Change the place of these points like this. Change white to black and black to dark blue. Create a new adjustment layer. Move it to the top. Search for CC Light Burst Effect and apply it to the adjustment layer. Change the intensity to 150 and the ray length to 200. Go 5 frames back and change the intensity to 0 and the ray length to 0. Press Shift plus page down 2 times to go 20 frames forward. Now change the intensity to 0 and the ray length to 0. Now add the CC Light Sweep effect to the logo composition. Change the position of the point to here. Add a keyframe at the center. Go forward at the timeline and change the position of the point to around here. Select the keyframes and press F9 to make them easy ease. Open the graph editor and change the speed of the keyframes like this. Close the graph editor. And we are done. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.